Yanko Sme Hunyina Akwaba. And that's why you brena or share Adom TV bre every sene edjuada. May Bosubeda etosunum a film pimiano any edjuno enum. Yeri Asem Yi Di Ka jumedie ebebro. Medinde akwesi ensia. Egu so ewo ejajum. Ya ye charge. Ni nyina se ye hene baako. Asante mampo hene da sebre osebunsu ye otosmienu. Efra ntoma ewo ne tentim wotina nanom ewo ekura. Eti Asante mampo ye ni ta akoko so papa yese. Adaje enu okura. Na monio kese enkomfama Asante mampo hima na ajakoma difie ye otosmienu. So waje ginemu na wohwe aboa mantotue na manfo ye ka wonyina atimi awie peyo da se kese so konfama manhia nso e wo chitaye manhia nso de ema senebe ya ye nana eyo ebe boko na na somdwe emu ene ye hwere mu se Asantema council ebe ko asetena na ebrebem na mpanefo de to apono so a ya bobo mu dai de na wotwe dadie no ebe hye eti kosomo waso eno afidie ena Adom TV efiro die ensempa ye fa yekuru no yema no emmoeda na bia ka cham da sebre beebi ebre no so ne ye show niema da sebre osebos yo tosme no adawrmenti Asantema mponsa kan ya bonsampa sempani kan se awenie enkasa medende akwasi ensia Asem Yi Di Ka bre ena edruswe na otwimu and I think that from Saturday, yeah. And Yagasa Yenua Jerry Justice, your war Adom 106.3 FM. Eboa nine ewotema akwan bi eso. Na niama we ababe seriously the kind of sikaye free tema eba. It is on my kwan no ehwo techima or say your mind nyina ade hiade. And there be the same thing I make fa takrade ekro ni nyina ho. Sika e free takrade eba as compared to a kwan asa sika nam so eba nkra kwadwa mu a asif ma wreho. Obi ote takrade ye wo hwem bia be di adanse se takrade akwan. Enwie ni papam. Ba bi sika ke se free body ni kwasa ke tutu wa jejem na so litasif se o man nchi kire ne nkanko no sinto bi wo ba bi bebre. Manfa ko tema weba mame tema video no memao tema a free runabout ebesne twem akọ Harbour Road na hwe ekwan pa kasa kese ya edisika bro men enam so ekwan ya kasa kese ya edisika ede bro man Ghana ekwan ya enam so enu hu awura beho osibe fem obedi wa bobo sa so bi kan ye enko se hwe. It's so sad. Ibe yi video ni a kirewo mu ahwesa kwan no wa hwesa kwan no hwesa kwan pa cars enam so na Thomas Pacho ye read never fret Bella mame why your phone so benya Bella number na check WhatsApp na ya man boni Bella enso akwa koduru bia be ka ho ya ka ho asemi na o twafo ni che na ye de kwan so e che o TV so no e kwan ya we ye kwan ya elidi akọ tema habo bia ye mo my Ghana sika kese pa tema habo hwe kwan ya elidi akọ hono. It's so sad. As if him awrewo sabanesa. Ya kan kwan wasema kan kwan wasema kan kwan wasema. But even to the extent of your bread basket town. Una see a film. Una now see a film. Waba pasonya video na fato so ma me na ahwefo ntimi enfollow e komana ye ni so this is a kwanya e ka ho asem no tema habo road no enie kaya na mo nyina ekwa akotwe sika na ekwa akotwe aba hwe kwan a enam so. This is Tema Habo Road. Tema Habo Road. Hwe kwan a enam so. Something drastic needs to be done about this. Something drastic. Something drastic needs to be done about this road. The matter say abandana na aircon ye de ma contract. Adom de ma Joshua say onye ene to ekwan no. Ba ban na adwuma ne buru Joshua to the age tem habo de no afri Joshua nsem ye baba re award this akwan e de ma contract. Contractor be this akwan we ma bia no. So also take into consideration the kind of cars here nam sa akwan so. They should also take into consideration the kind of cars here nam sa akwan we so. Because we can't be having this road. Yet we nya a kwan say ya a twisika kese e de maye. Same way na there be a make Accra Kumasi highway. Cars how do nam sa akwan we so. 19 kojo ho ye boy 3% ye best Accra Kumasi highway do akari ba pem ne. Ye ntimi nya ye. Something drastic. Drastic. Obia kwan hia. Obia potem yote akwan ehia pa. But akwan ya twisika de more mine de. Akwan ya twisika e de more mine de. Ye ntimi tutu na jeje mu. Now, some of the issues so are cause sa akwan we. Akwan ye se bia ye nya da o. Akwan ye hu na ha de mu. Enye se bia ye nya da o. Ye the name of ashenkafo ni bi so on mu a ni pa bone sem. Ashenkafo a edi ka sakese bi efa tama ha bo so ni pa bone sem. Yellow di wi a yellow di safa overload no. Near the abegina the shoulder of the road. Best nansa na otwe na kanda so esi wono mu a. Ka abonye ma say dem ejina kwane so. E be na kwane timi anya hoden. 3 days, 1 week. Na ka aye overload. Esi sa kwan we so. And they come back to how you walk wakeboard. E what Tema Habo. Na so still car timi you overload. E be jina kwan no. E ya sam foforo. I think somewhere February this year, the Minister for Roads and Highways, any Minister of Transport, Eko Tema Habo, wabonya sa video na, can you get this to graphic online? So sa a video na, Minister no a video na. Ma video ni tie enkomo Minister ne Habo pedfo ekodi about say dey be ya acid road no enya adwuma. Hwe sa video we.
Because you just went into the port now. They are not weighing any track. They are not weighing any track. The weighing bridge is there. They were not weighing any track.
This for instance, is from the port. MPS.
MPS. Okay. Maybe MPS is weighing. But the Ghana Link side, they are not weighing anything. So what is the weight of that vehicle?
This one. This is a 6-axle truck. No, from the port. From MPS, there is no weight. Okay, 7,000.
37 tons. What is here?
Yes, please.
And what did you get?
29,800.
If the calibration is accurate, yes, that should the weight at the port and here should tally. Even if it's not the same, the difference shouldn't be that. Is this one also within the limit?
Yes, please. This is a 7-seat truck. supposed to take 70,000, but it's only 63,700.
Where is the big truck? Where did he say he's going?
6. The one that is the Taka. Yes, please. 6.
Honorable Bukari Bukari, the minister responsible for transport, paid a surprise visit to some of the Azilo weighing stations in Accra, with specifics on the port, where a lot of goods come out of the tema port. We are currently at the GHA, Ghana Highway Authority weighing station, just at the beginning of the Accra motorway. Myself and my colleague noticed some unfortunate or made some unfortunate observations at the port. It appears many of the
Okay, it's the Minister for Roads and Highways, Son of Kwame, Gavins Agboja, and one Minister of Transport, and I'm called Tema Habo. Then you free Kumoya ye di as a Aziloda a war Tema Habo no. Near Ghana Link and manage no. Or my Yahoo be Ghana Link, I will be also ye be a area, but Shankafon and you see. Yamu yawa a port security, mashas a one more, and your monument to make sure say those a drivers no, and be making sure so much for Azilod neso. No be a funny mama now moroso. And now the reason to man, the Minister of Transport, a paid that surprise visit. Ghana Link Ajuma wa ya no, wa ye ni nyina wie. Yeah, what say? You're making sure say Ashankani be overloading your bia and free Tema Habo Biano, or be first one young when your man would draw. No confirm my name Rosso. And no say Yaquino. And no say Yaquino. Tishankani no emphasis because me can be our coach, you busy can be baby. And one loading the man, I'm gonna book us. No, sell loading here. No, the making the shoulder of the road. Now, what you back on that kind of Swiss one? The bed now quite me now holding. I'm quite masonry a man bonny Bella. Isabella war a year tema, Menoka say or tema Habo Road neso. Now, on Chafoni and Chapatama Habo Road no. Bella, good morning.
Good morning.
Now, I'm a pedro on said a quite out here.
Oh, I can't dear 50 Senate tonight. I can't want some can sanity. I no pay me background. I can't wait to no traffic. Ever find so how about me road no traffic was a fine way. Who do I say for no money one day and ya crash? I say, who drives just or be a car or be a casa and fiomo. It would be your dimple not a son in the casa if I can't who crap or the casa and say, oh, I can't, and yeah, I said, oh, can't declare against society, I drown my car, the same thing.
Okay, it's young share, I never quite yet, titty, yes, we share a yet shoulder of the road now. Long vehicle cars, Elodie, packing all them, and upon will be so.
I am not more having say. I am not my activity. I say, I'll get him what a big can I packing. I didn't call a quan say, you know. Your friend says, show that the class are the car, a quan who show that no any a quan who difference. No, Nini I had the bacona. It's an almost a careful engagement on and a quan of Sonia. Share all the chemu say, and coffee, a cabramo, cars, especially cars, in Chetia, no saloon cars, and they almost send me a mob on Pose. Almost send me a mob of papa. It's an normal car, if you are going to know. Or the I managing. Obiara manage no na esaye husu pa esa say tractor kese no ma parking we no so no shoulders no so husu no o kwa unim say bi we ni wanya careful na keke mo de better man no it e kese o ha mu say we so ya extra careful anya sa accident kese me fan say road users na kasa for my used to sana efa na say no it's was some bomb they say on the corner box and the ya obi ka answer because car no sense no to ya sense
Bella, after you share idea about Koya, a year drainage system. ye was a harbor road ne so and tie so ye say nya ekyerem say drains no ebi ehwo atechima eti ama ensuo to a ise se be fa drains makọ no etimi fa nkọ na aba be tai ekwan ne so no what the hu nkọ what to say
me pacha drainage system water ma de nkọ hokra I say baby drainage system water ma baby I say who come market to hifa baby I say drainage system you know ka say that is now what ekwan no ni na that is no a block you a bro esisi so this time and to be na that do na I say go that anu esisi anianfa ntio fa di bia ntio nya da bia fa accident to yading na esisi so make that ma say bia nko bia mba o tama uni pa no asama udi sani na ka to say she koso if you road a gata or road or the hour didn't send whatever.
Bella, I'm for so never saw about me that Amani Bonnie Bella and a day Amani Boy so Ebrene Anope so that was the true state of the road no and once Manoka and maybe I may pass you know come the drain system so what so I just sleep in Pataku. Yes, it is how quiet I was me drain Cassia pie that one more senka and so to it to be a firm a day econ and what way and Quantanaso de ma temansu kesi outdoor ebe nyina but that drain system in yejuma I break it down it am say enso to a enso tata kwane so and that also forms part of the reason but my video ni bia and that forms part of the reason tia ama kwane so no ssa no konso ni ta kwane so aso che bedu ba bia na ama kwane so ayemre na sa hwe kasa kese ya hweke asoma na belekan ebi le sumwe we walodi awie walodi awie ye osen kokko bo be gina honom sa bia mese 3 days e bia mese na otwe no da so gina honom na hwe kas we mu niema na de gina kwan so for na otwe ba ko a e kwan be de nya hoden Mami mo the Minister for Roads and Highways Honorable Kwame Gavin Sagboja abaso ma senior oba ye wama directive to urban roads in 24 said there are some emergency akwan bi won mu a o se patch ni 10 and unless say akwan ka wasem so eka ho bi unless tema kwan e ka wasem eka with us before say contractor because ebe hit road eti minister koso fa fa ne sa bere bari kaka ye chiri obi ne entan obi utua na mo so be ya de papa emo bi ese fata be be ma ye fa platform into us se bi yan kan se bone nkwanfo ye man Ghana ho so as the minister no etua na mo bo ase be ya at least ye nya contractor kra nya sika fa ma no so be tie si kwan so aye kwan se de pe no yan pache mu kakra and to create to be boama accident we yakwan so no etumi ba form it we say nya award to a contractor e betumi kakra ye say yan popo pale ayu tokro na abeba mu no so minister kudos any urban roads in 24 and then we topa ya mutu ma won se ma I list watch nam the list match there for ti ubehuru ba bia sentimentam ewom Alansam airport we ba bi nyina so ekeka home and that so many areas meaning off head or some listen in abachro no wa kwan ya the minister na ma kwan say ba bia kwan ye nya contractor koso admanim ya asese no ye ko patch se be ya o how ne consider the bre ashenka for sa kwan so no sa ha no betimi abra se kakra e ba passe koso be boso nya bompanifo abaso e wo ho but now to Ghana Port and Harbour Authority and the Minister of Transport Minister said now pay a surprise visit to the authority somewhere in February this year. No, you best also say call no be because tie ya eba ayese o saba ko no still amun use one no and ye jama shankafo no eye overloading every port no inside me was so report na but to kru bia ka betimi afo mapie anaska betimi afo makobia no ya ma Ghana like abon we honom to check the weight of the cars. Et why na hwem ya nyusie Minister of Finance from Transport Minister Fancy from na animal to it se fata will be alo yentimi tu na shankafo a eye sade no yentwe amaso more especially Ghana Port and Harbour Authority in Pelifua aye hwama sade no ekoso no yakwa ne se dodo weba wanya da se video no kasa odi omochi a hwano pemfoni abela atwade a kire hwano pemfoni abela atwa kire. It's so sad. Mam da say bread dance moves now.
Ladies and gentlemen, a message has always been love. Wow. Getting that groove on. Reminiscing of other people's times. Now I'm talking about. Oh yeah, this is love. Let's do this one more time. And ladies and gentlemen, the message has always been love. Wow. Yeah. Love. And it's a beautiful time. Now I'm talking. Oh yeah. Getting that groove on. Reminiscing of other people's times. Now I'm talking about. Oh yeah, this is love. Let's do this one more time. And ladies and gentlemen, a message.
Are also to the beer. Need to be so achichere ya hore. So Laos da sebre o sebon su yo tosmienu. Asante mampo hine ene ne hima. Nana ejakuma difie ya no so etosmienu. Nice collabo. O mine kwa bra sante atrase. O ma boko de.
Akwasi bibia iboko na. There's a story in the graphic, it's quite alarming.
Okay.
2.4 million Ghanaians vulnerable to food insecurity. And that's a story by Kingsley Asari and Minister Food and Agriculture, and I draw your attention to this insecurity situation in terms of food. Adriana who has some aquatre and I be quatre Ghana for this should be a certain bracket. It's so alarming. Me who say, "Oh, can you have no a quiet cohort?" Is that the case?
Yeah.
Nti, mama fa manu tumbi na mensere say. I was just a quine no munye yo. Maybe that's what you're also getting is you're not getting a quino. In fact, minimum quino it's been done more than 3 times. So the question may be, we need to be asking ourselves to say, when a year equine? No more say fatan or the year equine. So what I say, because they be done, the enemy say, Oba Boko be pantan quine. It need 2 years,
yeah.
Everything has been washed away. And here for the cost supervisor, AG2 say, Ampa, equine is on point. It's been okayed. In Sue talk a Caribbean and Sue Petit Caribbean. So that's the challenge we continue to have because contract and bit can send be very actual. You know, we say Sikasuna air cogino. Now contract and the NSS or the year Jumano. Now IBUBO. And I've told you until we purge the public and civil service, you know, reasonable percentage of NIPA or more public service, the civil service, they are not patriotic. Maybe to put it in a very nice way. Or Ghana who don't know. And you know, and they are always, you know, tagging you with yeah, they are honey at you, obeba, obeko. And because of mine, young children see a pempuntu, name we a power, ye pe to me, bribiadana. We are always looking ahead of getting power, but not development or progress. So that's the challenge we have. A difficult moments. It didn't start with this administration. And if we don't change our mindset in so it will not end with this administration. If we don't change our attitudes towards working in the interest of Ghana, it will never change. Because we talk a lot. We really talk a lot. Kasa ma May. Nyame aduma na asaba ne we. But the we are kofa May challenges are there to ho Asem Yi Di Ka so. Na share those challenges. The impo ye to ho na mo ahwe say the akosika biribia da no sachira na sense. If you go back to last year 2024 from January to December, some of the political happenings in the AC 2 years back, 3 years back, 4 years back, 5 years back, go and play back. It is like every December. December ya nyame ya adom na etwe ya. December ya de ne bo hu se the Ghana for beka. Bro nya we de hu bi da emu awrem You know, so we are a bunch of people here. We've decided that moa ye hu si e be hu adepa e be ya adepa. Nemum nipa na ye nya ya dwene se ye be se esu ne ye ban ne ye no. Sa nipa na so ye nim se from nowhere ye be senka akwan nyina ye yie obi offices bia ko kama school bia ye ne kama ya ma contract ko si school dan and the education minister say caterers omo ye aduane no insuo ne ene ma basa omo ye nkwan ma nkwada no akosi ba o kawe a akwada bia is a science school feeding or say 2 is it 2 Ghana city or
means every 2 cities
just check
no 1 city
yeah 1 city 20 pesos that's I could 2 cities to say but how do you on earth so at say obehwe say caterer no ebe ma akwada ba akobi adwane worth 2 Ghana city if that is the case and no we ya na enunu ye ho ne yesre o ya na enunu ye ho ne yesre so as if you want a proper feeding maka 1.1 city 20 pesos then say a piece of 4 crown what the sika de mom da kuru bia say de ye adwane amom
okay see for now you can say 2 Ghana city
yeah what is this what is
and
this
and minister so pay adwane papa nutritious meal
yeah you are one say how do we do that na kosiana you say
2 cities
yeah kosiana you say enti other na mo person mo me say there we have solved or we are solving, whereas we know clearly say we've not solved anything. Young Kassan here benefiting from our corruptible behaviors and act. In the Akwesi Wadarama, 2 cities, 2 Ghana city.
Near the edge of law.
How is that possible? Okay, can see any Padodoring in our class beer of 45 crown by 2 crown. A dear empire now fees between there. So we need to tell ourselves the reality. We need to be truthful to ourselves. It is just say bia de bia da me kan ye be sore ne abetena ne abrobro so na sentrofo na wona ya amanyosem ankwankwan so mo adwenkyere obi ade ne de eba but ensem na ye ka ho asem no de bia da sansem no is not minimizing no it's getting worse. Go and take Galamsey for instance. Ekuro ben na nipa ya ade a enye bone a o se nya akukuduru e de ye kan se camera series so
yes
etimi ka chere se ha gada ebetua ekuro no eti ena bone kura nipa nya akukuduro di bone sa the camera is your so that's impunity onsro ena nipa dodo na nyina agency ECG omo de ECG omo yenso ye ni nipa o matwetwe kanea e wokoti kwan so omo yi free meter mo omo twe kanea enyuma akase e wo Ghana hanum say in the illegalities e ko obia kana no atum but government of the day onye magician no so we anyam kanea de wunyuma na ontua hoto ne dia say anyam kanea na affect communities in any area one regional omni wadwuma when you know the corporates doing this thing until you say oman chichire ne oman buo no eyeye nyina ya sudie ne nipa kuma bi se won betua ya no no mfa ndi dwuma so mdidi and they be ada kwesi mika you will be in a better position to tell us more because Meka said that the Ashanti Kingdom nankasana as a governance nwa ani ede chichiri kuru and our man and look at the reverence edema otekoko so ansa na nei kwesi yeda asibre ya and ne radiato nsafreni o the chain of command and the respect to that command
untumi sorry nka bibia keke
Debbie and then the obia take that se abrawa no amane koraso obia ampa nyina nyame ne boy but ebi ni mu danso eni die ni ho biem ebuo ni ho biem nokure ni ho biem nyoma sese ye ma nipa dodo na nya ho faso ebi na obiem ene tro anya nhini etro die konkonsa entwato so abenya nhini kese ewo man Ghana
because obi ani bre pesika
anya rewo
to obeka ni nwiagum
anya rewo
no akonya kakra di
so atiase nti kwasi me honestly anytime I listen to you on Asem Yi Di Ka I say if wishes were horses there maybe because enyoma wa brobru su nyina fire service for the na for can attend and yempe na ma for the bi ene atwede na betima kontententi yema mu training surunku bi betima boama o ma okeka yema Ghana frontier say fire service ni bi ene wo beba ene dese ono aba na issue odi baby o kwakọ yi issue na free no wo no aboki o sa o ton
kiso e kosi so yes yes building so
why
it wo be o so sa kokro tie ko bunsuo o se ba no aben kwase ye man kwase satie ka mu se di na kan se so ko ne nsuo ye man kwan bia
enti wo no kwase aka tro se baby a oki osi no ye bebubu ni sisi a obasa aka se aban ye insensitive to your plight because we don't hold people responsible assembly for adwuma no assembly akrati form paying for emergency akrati form bebre yesre ma no pay dodo na am se esa kai mo na mo de enti adodo no so antimi ntu ana mo no se okokwasi wa kwasi asi edan si sa bia fire service for choose kwasi NDC ni oba kwabna santi wonu ma kwabna santi asi dan asi bia fire service kwabna santi MPP panyimu pa etiene no ontimi mfa ne nsa nka obi bia se de ya efine wa no se odi bone kura na okofam MPP na NDC a na sa bone kura
asem no twa
as eto atwa how can we live our life like that how can we live our life like that
so sad
enti ni kwasi insutu to braso Works and Housing Ministry for minim so mo di djuma
sure
culvert yi ni na se for mo ye ho adjuma but o de hwe yan kasa yesu ni ye ban ni nyoma ye that is the pain that continues to be the pain so at say enti ni kurani agozi shedding na afi masa abusa say Dasebre what's the latest on Dasebre
okay so ene Asantuma Council e kwa asetena eti ene da kwan say ene performa wo kwan ne a cheda yere be ye Dasebre na otwede die say ye free one mu performa toto ni a kire ye ntutu ye ba bi ye beko akwakosi nyina na ye carry on from there say that be ka is ade chi ade say ni pam na bo wura Asantuma Mpon Asantuma Mpon hema na ajakoma di fie otosmenu ene mpedefo ya akohyeden yema mo nyina kafra ewo Dasebre dane wadane atoi eho eti na agosu ewo awrewom yetwa adwede esbeto akoso eso na yema no so asede no man before amekọ no broken heart on man enya de pa but we should take it easy nyo bia na o say man broken heart on man mo amai Unines ni bi entwem pna na won twem ane nkoduru adwuma na test ni message say it is over. How do you expect her to operate?
Na kasa kwa be no.
Ye be sere me ma no me yesade no. Anhwe ma nurse ni dressing nkoduru adwuma na send a message say it is over. You're putting a lot of lives at risk.
Wait there.
The kind of things that are running through their mind.
I see.
Now, every member they be called to hospital be. A champion for fra by an trans was saying the boyfriend so the jay. And she couldn't handle it. When you said drug doctor and each man so for Messi obi so as you so ye dro ye be. O ma ko father for say any colleague nurse me na be hu ni ntamu a. E ko administer a different drug in my patient or than the baby.
Wow.
Which, if care was not taken out, would have led to loss of life.
Wow.
Because of a boyfriend in a jai. And she couldn't handle it. All right.